Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to hide the TikTok app. To begin with, you're going to need to grab an image of an app that you want to use to hide the TikTok app. In order to do this, you're going to want to go to the App Store, and you're going to want to find an app to hide TikTok. It can honestly be any app. I'm going to use Tetris. Once you find the app you want to use, tap on the app to open the About section, and then when you get to this page, we're going to screenshot this page. In order to take a screenshot, you're going to want to tap on the power button and the volume up button on your phone and hold them at the same time. This is going to take a screenshot. Now we're going to swipe up to get out of the App Store, and we're going to go to the Photos app. Once you're in Photos, you're going to want to navigate to the picture you just took. So I'm going to tap on my recents, and then I'm going to tap on the picture I just took. Now I'm on the picture, I'm going to tap on Edit, and now I'm in the Edit screen. I'm going to crop this image so only the image of the app itself is showing. So in order to do that, I'm going to tap on the Crop button. I'm going to move it up. Okay, once I have my image cropped, I'm going to tap on Done. Okay, now we have an image that we can use to disguise the TikTok app. So I'm going to swipe up to get out of my photos, and I'm going to go to Shortcuts. Okay, so now that I'm in Shortcuts, I'm going to tap on the plus button in the top right-hand corner to add a new shortcut. And now I'm going to tap on Add Action. I'm going to tap on Scripting, and I'm going to tap on Open App. Okay, now I'm going to tap on Choose, and I'm going to search for TikTok, and I'm going to tap on TikTok. Okay, now I'm going to tap the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to name my shortcut. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to name it Tetris, and I'm going to tap Add to Home Screen. Okay, so now I'm going to name my new shortcut again in this screen. So I'm going to name it again Tetris, R-I-S, and I'm going to add the image we just created. So I'm going to tap on the image, I'm going to tap on Choose Photo, I'm going to tap on the image that we just created, and I'm going to tap on Choose. There we go. So now I'm going to tap on Add, and it has been added to my home screen. So now I'm going to go back to my home screen, and there is my Tetris app, but when I tap on Tetris, it's actually TikTok. So now one last step, we need to go back over, and we're going to long hold on the TikTok app, and we're going to remove it from the home screen. So it's remove app and then remove from home screen. And now it's removed from our home screen, and the only app we have on our home screen is Tetris. So the TikTok app is hid. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.